Why don't we excel? Excellence is a lifelong endeavor. It is not a goalpost. Excellence is a non-stop journey of self-improvement to the last breath. To achieve excellence, we do not compete with others. We simply strive within ourselves to be better the next moment than the moment we are in. Excellence is a mindset, an attitude, a paradigm we live in. It is the constant awareness that I need to be better in every aspect of life. The problem starts when we take excellence as a destination, an endpoint, a goal to be achieved. If that was the case, then having achieved that goal of excellence, we ought to plateau. And if we plateau, then we stagnate. And if we stagnate, then we cannot be in a state of excellence.